welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sonia, a self-taught designer, hand letterer, and illustrator. Here on YouTube, I love to share all my tips and tricks of becoming a self-taught designer. So if you're interested in learning from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these videos. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily remove the background from a picture. So this is something that I do quite often, whether it's for a podcast material or for a profile picture. I do that quite often. I'm gonna show you first how I used to do this the old way. So this process can be time consuming, but just recently I accidentally happened to find this trick, and I don't really like to use the word hack, but this is definitely a hack. It really just removes the background for you instantly. The only time it really takes to do this is the time it takes for you to upload the picture, click a few buttons, and then download it. So it's really simple and easy. So if this is something that interests you, keep on watching. Okay, so that process could be time consuming. So this is a really quick and easy way to do it. So you're gonna go ahead and open up the browser, any browser would do, and then you're just gonna search for Sticker Mule trace, something like that. Once you do that, the first thing that's gonna pop up is Sticker Mule trace, where it has this system, I guess, where you could remove backgrounds instantly. So you're gonna click on that, and it's gonna take you here. So all you need to do really is upload a photo, and I'll show you. So I have my picture right here. So this one has a background. I just want to cut out the background. Go ahead and open. It's going to upload it, do its thing. Takes a few seconds. Okay, and then it's going to do the work for you. Honestly, I think it did a pretty good job. Maybe additional adjustment, for example, would maybe cutting out here, but even though you don't, it still looks fine. So you can do this, and then all you need to do is just download. Okay, so here you could download full image. So this is what I'll do, and it will automatically download it as a PNG for you. So if I were to go to my downloaded files and open that up, voila. It doesn't have a background and it is ready for you to use. Okay, so that's all I have for you. I hope you really enjoyed that video because I was so excited to share that with you today. Also, I want to let you know it wasn't sponsored by the company in any way. It was just something that I accidentally happened to find and thought it was really useful to share with you guys. All right, if you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It is really one of the best ways to support me as an artist. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.